Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. Infineon Technologies Coolsec MOSFETs have been adopted in Toyota's new BZ4X integrated in the onboard charger and DC-DC converter. The silicon carbide devices deliver low losses, strong thermal performance and high voltage capability to help extend driving range and reduce charging time. Infineon highlights its strange gate Coolsec structure for low on resistance and optimized capacitances that can simplify gate drive while improving overall efficiency. Efficient Power Conversion and Renesas signed a broad licensing agreement to accelerate low-voltage gallium nitride adoption. Renesas gains access to EPC's eGaN technology and supply ecosystem, will second-source several EPC GaN devices already in mass production, and plans to establish internal wafer fab capability over the next year. Combined with Renesas high-voltage gallium nitride portfolio, the deal broadens coverage for AI power architectures from 48V down to 12V and 1V and other high-efficiency designs. Augmetic has entered volume production at its expanded Finland fab, boosting capacity for 150 and 200mm silicon and bonded SOI wafers, with a major uplift in 200mm polished output. First wafers ran in June 2025, and deliveries from the expanded line are now underway in early 2026. Newscast Semiconductor launched its 5th generation Gen ISIC platform featuring a new trench-assisted planar silicon carbide MOSFET architecture, forming the basis of an industry-leading 1200V family alongside its 2.3 and 3.3 kV portfolio. The new 1200V tech improves the RDS on times QGD figure of merit by 35%, enhances switching robustness, and adds soft body diode behavior to reduce EMI. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.